Hi and welcome to the video. In this video I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use the fastest CloudNX Cloud Server snapshot feature. So as we can see here, I'm in my CloudNX account and I've got a server. We can see that the server is offline at the moment, and that is necessary to be able to carry out a snapshot. But we just click on that server, drop down on actions and click create snapshot. Now this isn't a long-term backup solution. As we can see here, it's going to automatically be deleted in a few days. It's just useful for if you're doing something major to the server and you just want to have a backup just to be safe, and it's very easy to restore a snapshot rather than restoring an entire backup from some kind of third party. And just for reference there, that was 3 days. That's going to be around for, it's just the 19th that I'm recording this on, and it's being deleted on the 22nd. Now as we can see, that status has gone back to off, so that has actually taken the snapshot. So we're going to go ahead and click on actions again, and as we can see here, we can either delete the snapshot or restore the snapshot. We can only have one at a time, but if we click restore snapshot on there, it's going to reset to the status of the snapshot that was taken on that time and date there. And it says it might take some time depending on the amount of data restored, and it may affect the server performance during that time. So you've got to start the server after it's been restored. All kind of standard stuff there, but if we click continue there, you'll see the status is going to go there to restoring snapshot. It's a very light server here. It's just a CentOS 8 server with Plesk installed, so it shouldn't take too long. Haven't got many websites and data, but as we can see, as I've been talking, that's already restored. Take that server back online, we start it up, and again the status, and that's going to be restored back to the point that I made my backup at. And that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye for now.